Model, 63 Paced Ford Transit 125 T350 Rwd Crew Cab Dropside Flatbed Tipper Spares or Repairs. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 65,268. MOT, the 15th of May 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Oil light on the dash due to this. Nice easy job for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van with low mileage. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, tipper in working order. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.